Hey, everyone. Welcome back to WAM. Today, we're diving into the world of Canoo Incorporated, a company that's been making headlines in the electric vehicle space. If you enjoy staying up to date on the latest stock market trends, hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and ring the notification bell for more content like this. Background. Host. Canoo Incorporated has been gaining attention for its innovative approach to electric vehicles and its unique business model. Before we delve into the details, make sure to do your own research and consider consulting with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Overview of Canoo Inc. Host. For those unfamiliar with Canoo, it's an electric vehicle manufacturer that's been making waves with its subscription-based model and a focus on creating practical, sustainable vehicles. But what about their stock? Let's take a look. Share price analysis. Host. As of current date, Canoo Incorporated stock is trading at current share price. Keep in mind that stock prices are subject to market fluctuations, so it's crucial to stay informed and regularly check for updates. Chart analysis. Host. Now, let's analyze the charts to get a better understanding of Canoo's recent stock performance. Display and analyze relevant charts on screen. Host. Examining the historical data can provide insights into trends and potential indicators of future movements. Remember, past performance is not always indicative of future results. Future targets. Host. What about the future? Analysts and experts are projecting, mention any current analyst predictions or price targets. However, remember that these are just projections and can change based on various factors. Recent developments. Host. Keeping an eye on recent developments is crucial. Any partnerships, technological advancements, or significant announcements from Canoo Incorporated can impact its stock performance. Stay updated with the latest news to make well-informed investment decisions. Conclusion. Host. In conclusion, Canoo Incorporated is an intriguing player in the electric vehicle market, but as with any investment, there are risks involved. Do your research, stay informed, and consider your own risk tolerance before making any investment decisions. Host. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more stock market updates. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one.